When it comes to understanding why some women can't stop thinking about certain men, the answer doesn't lie in flashy looks, wealth, or smooth one liners. The truth is, obsession starts with something much deeper, what psychologists call emotional addiction. Think about the last time you felt a rush of excitement from someone's attention, only to have them suddenly pull back. That momentary roller coaster, highs followed by sudden distance, activates the brain's dopamine cycle. For women, this unpredictable rhythm creates a craving that feels impossible to shake. When a man mixes humor with mystery, warmth with a touch of distance, or inside jokes with vulnerable conversations, he's building tiny anchors in her subconscious. Each one ties her to the emotions she feels around him, not just the man himself. And because these highs and lows mimic the same reward systems that drive human habits, like gambling or scrolling on social media, she doesn't even realize she's getting hooked. It's not manipulation, it's simply how the human brain bonds. A perfectly timed playful text, a moment of shared laughter, or even a short period of unavailability can leave her thinking about him for hours, chasing that dopamine high without fully understanding why. But triggers alone don't create obsession. What truly locks a woman in are these subconscious bonds men often build without even realizing. Every time he validates her feelings, makes her laugh in a way no one else can, or shares a private us against the world moment, he's embedding himself deeper into her memory.